My husband does not talk to me. 6 ways to deal with this emotional complaint of a wife. Hi friends. Welcome to Marriage Realities, a comprehensive relationship channel. Today's video is all about what a wife should do when a husband does not talk to her. When your husband withdraws into his shell of silence, you feel very unhappy in your relationship. Yes. Many a time your husband talks to you only when it is absolutely necessary. Otherwise, he is silence personified at home. Your husband does not share his feelings with you. He does not make you feel loved. Your husband does not utter consoling words when you are unhappy. Often, your husband acts as though he has no emotional connection with you. You're terribly upset by the talking to a wall sort of a reaction your husband gives you when you try to communicate with him. The silence of your husband makes you feel completely lost and unloved by him, doesn't it? You're unable to express your thoughts, emotions, and feelings when your husband does not talk with you. Your emotions are locked within you, making you feel suffocated by your inability to share it with your husband. You well know that communication is the most important tool to a happy marriage. When your husband does not communicate with you, you're all at sea, not knowing about his true feelings towards you. You spend lonely hours hoping against hope that your husband will eventually open out to you. But no. Your husband is almost always tight-lipped and deadpan towards you. Your husband feels it very comfortable to spend his free time browsing, watching TV, playing video games, or just lazing around rather than interacting with you. You must understand that the non-communication and silence of your husband has many hidden messages in it for you. Being silent and withdrawn is his way of escaping from family responsibilities. It is his trick of avoiding unwanted arguments with you. The silence of your husband is his lethal weapon to demoralize you. Whatever might be the reason behind the non-communication of your husband, you want him to interact with you. And you want your interaction with your husband to be intimate and highly personal. You want to enjoy the just two of us sort of a feeling with your husband. You also want your husband to talk to you in a loving way so that you feel you're being cherished and treasured by him. But mostly you're disappointed. What exactly should you do when your husband does not talk to you? The number one thing you should do when your husband does not talk with you is to create your own world. You cannot spend your life longing that your husband talks with you intimately and affectionately. You have to live your own life. You cannot keep on wallowing in self-pity about the non-communication of your husband. So, do not feel depressed when your husband does not talk to you. Create your very own world. You might be talented in some art. You might have the talent to write, paint, sing. Indulge in the talent you possess. Have fun with your children. Your children can literally pull you out of the depression you might be undergoing because of the silence of your husband. Mingle with your friends. Pamper yourself by going for shopping. Shopping relieves your tension in a great level. Develop interest in a hobby. Hobbies will make you feel occupied. Spend time with your pets. Pets are scientifically proven to be great stress busters. The number two thing you should do when your husband does not talk to you is to make your husband accountable. Do not let your husband get away from fulfilling his family duties by keeping silent and withdrawn from you. Be clear-cut in giving your husband his share of family commitments. Make sure he fulfills it. You have the right to expect your husband to look after your children. Set clear boundaries so that your husband knows that he cannot dodge his commitments by being silent and remote with you. The number three thing to do when your husband does not talk with you is to understand his viewpoint. Are you in any way the reason why your husband does not talk to you? You might vehemently say no. But unknowing to you, you do many things that hurts the male ego of your husband. When you persistently nag your husband, he keeps his mouth clamped to escape your wagging tongue. When you compare your husband with others, he hates it. And he shows his anger by not talking to you. When you're too preachy, your husband feels that he's not respected by you. When you consistently do things which your husband does not like, he stops communicating with you as he feels only his silence would display his anger against you. When you rectify your mistakes, your husband might unwind his reserved nature to start talking with you. The number 4 thing to do when your husband does not talk with you is avoiding confrontation. Your husband hates confrontation with you as he does not have the capacity to defend himself. So his only weapon against you is his silence. Your husband uses his silence as a trump card as he knows how much you hate it when he does not open his mouth. You want to confront your husband about his silence and remote behavior, but your confrontation will yield no results because it will only make your husband behave even more reserved with you. Your confrontation gives your husband an excuse to safely distance himself from you. So do not confront your husband and lose your peace. Instead, maintain a dignified distance from your husband to make him understand that he cannot take you lightly. The number 5 thing you should do when your husband does not talk with you is to understand that not talking with you makes him gain some distance from family problems. You are deft at handling family issues while your husband is basically incapable of it. When family problems crop up, your husband is unnerved, not knowing how to deal with it. So he keeps silent and withdrawn, hoping against hope that you would solve it without bringing the issue to him. But you should never allow your husband escape from family duties by not talking with you. You should definitely discuss family problems with your husband. You should also make your husband do his share of work to solve whatever issues your family might be facing. The number 6 thing to do when your husband does not talk with you is to let him come to terms with his silence. The silence of your husband not only hurts you, it hurts him also. When he is unable to share his feelings with you, he feels alone and left out at home. So your husband should understand that he cannot live like a loner in his own home. Do you know your husband wants to communicate with you but is not sure about what he will be getting from you? So let your husband fight his own battle and realize that he has to communicate with you if he wants to feel like a family with you. It is true you are angry when your husband does not talk with you, but you cannot force your husband to communicate with you. When you force your husband to interact with you, his communication will always be stilted and artificial and you will not like it. So let your husband come to terms with what he wants from his marriage. He will then realize that he has to interact with you if he wants your love. Did this video make you understand what you should do when your husband does not talk with you? Marriage Realities will have many such relationship eye-openers. Subscribe to my channel to understand your marriage in a new light. Press the bell icon for updates about my latest relationship videos. Make love forever until death do us part, your relationship goal.